In this video, I'm going to show you how I package and ship my Etsy stickers for only $1 and how you can do the same. If you want a very special coupon code for my sticker shop, make sure that you watch this video all the way to the end so you can get that coupon code and buy yourself some really cute stickers for a really awesome price. Now, let's get into the video. Okay, so I just wanted to give you an overview of all the things I use to package my stickers. So here I have just 3 stickers that I've chosen from my shop, and I have my sticker holders right here, just little plastic cellos. I have a couple of freebies, and these stickers I just give out for free because they have tiny blemishes, but they're still super cute. So for example, this sticker has been cut a little bit too far on this left side, and this sticker has a couple of really light lines from the printer going through it, so I just include those in the order for free. I also have my postcard here, my free postcard that I include, and I tried to make it like an art print, so it's kind of serving as a postcard and an art print all in one. Has my information on the bottom here. I have my brown envelope here, and I have my stamps. And I also have a little jar of some super cute confetti that I just like to include because it adds a little extra pizzazz to the envelope. I also have some really pretty washi tape that I got for super cheap on Amazon, and I like to put that over the back of the envelope to seal it, and it just adds another element of design to the overall look, and it makes it look extra pretty. Alright, so to start, I'm going to put my 3 stickers that my customer has ordered into the cello pack. If I can open it. There we go. And you do want to make sure that your stickers can fit in these cello packs. Some of the stickers are like right on the edge of being too big, but they still fit. So I will also be including links to all of the products that I mentioned in the description below, and they are all very affordable on Amazon, and you can buy them in bulk too, so you'll be set for a while. And I always put my freebies in a separate Ziploc just because I want the customer to know, hey, this is my order, and then, oh, here's a little extra order on the side. So now I have those stickers all packaged. I'm going to take my postcard, and typically I would write a short little note on the bottom here just thanking my customer for their order and saying that I hope they enjoy their stickers, and sometimes I'll include a special coupon code as well. So after that, I would pop my postcard right in the envelope here. I do love these postcards, and I also really love this envelope too because it is pretty sturdy, and it also just feels really nice. Like, it has a really nice texture to it. I will also be leaving a link to where I printed my postcards, and I really like the quality of these postcards, so I think that they're very good for including in these sticker packs. I'm just going to pop my stickers inside the envelope, one on each side, and I always recommend putting your stickers in some kind of a cello pack like this or some paper pack, just because if it rains or the envelope gets wet, your stickers are not going to be damaged. And I also really like adding the postcard because it adds just an extra level of protection and sturdiness for the envelope. If this wasn't there, then I feel like it could be really easy for the postcard to, for the envelope itself to bend, and we don't want that. So then I'm going to take a little handful of magical little confetti, and I'm just going to pop it in the envelope, all inside right there. Awesome, and then after that I would seal it up. These envelopes also have a sticky sealer, which is really nice because I hate licking envelopes. And then after that, I'm not going to do it because I don't want to waste any of these products, but I'm going to, after that I would take a good bit of this tape. So after that I would take a little bit of this tape and just make a nice line across the bottom, And from there, I would just write my client's address, my address for a return just in case, and then add a postcard. Or not postcard. Then after that, I would add a stamp. Depending on the weight, you might have to add 2 stamps, which is why I put $1 instead of 50 cents, because each stamp for me is about 50 cents. So for this, I would probably put 2 stamps just to be safe, but you can also buy a really cheap digital scale, and that will tell you if you that can tell you the weight of your envelope and how many postcards you're going to need for it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. I'm going to be posting a lot more videos to help you grow your art business and become a successful freelance artist. I will also be posting links below to some of my favorite sticker websites. If you don't have your own Cricut machine and color printer, these are great websites to order stickers from for an affordable price.